Want to bake the softest, fluffiest cupcakes ever? Let's do it. Here's everything you need. First, preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line your muffin tin with cupcake liners. Alright, let's get to the fun part, making the batter. Start by creaming together half a cup of room temperature butter and 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Whisk until it's light and fluffy. This is where the magic begins. Next, add in 2 eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it well. You want all the flavors to meld together perfectly. Now, it's time to bring it all together. Gradually add 1½ cups of flour, a teaspoon and a half of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Do this in stages, alternating with half a cup of milk. This keeps the batter light and airy. Mix until everything is just combined. Alright, our batter is ready. Fill each liner about 3/4 full, don't overdo it. Into the oven they go for 18 to 20 minutes. Just look at that rise. While our cupcakes are baking, let's make some creamy frosting. Take half a cup of butter, 2 cups of powdered sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Whip it until it's smooth and fluffy. Perfect for topping our cupcakes. Now the moment we've all been waiting for, frosting the cupcakes. Pipe it on beautifully and don't be afraid to get creative with the decorations. And there you have it, the perfect cupcake. Soft, fluffy, and absolutely delicious. Try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Baking made easy. Try this now.